Standard 5th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 12, Mail Merge in Word. Mail Merge is a useful tool that will allow you to easily produce multiple letters, labels, envelopes and more using information stored in a list. Now students, in this lesson we learn how to use the mail merge wizard to create a data source and form a letter. A very useful feature of Word is mail merge. Is the process of combining the content of two documents into one and creates a new letter from this merging. Uses of mail merge. You use mail merge when you want to send the identical information to different recipients. Recipients means those who receive, like invitation letter, brochure, catalog, pamphlet, meeting notice you want to send, envelopes, mailing labels, email, etc. In these types of letters, the informations remain same, but the name and address of each recipients get changed. Now students, I'll give you one example. Suppose in your birthday, you want to invite your friends and you create an invitation letter for them. Now student, that time mail merge also very useful you in your letter. Now student, in your letter content will be same. Okay, in your content you mention your time, date, etc. Okay, but same information you want to send to your different friends, so you require their address and name. Then you need to write down their name, address and content again and again. Okay, because you want to send them. So students, here mail merge helps you to save your time. Content will remain same and name and address of each your friends get changed with the help of mail merge. Now student, that we learned in this lesson how we create mail merge. Mail merge saves your time and effort because it automates the process of entering one unique piece of data into a document. You can use mail merge to create any type of printed document as well as electronic documents. Mail merge process includes the following steps. First one, creating a data source file. A data source, also called a data file, is a collection of records that store data. A data source can be any document organized to provide structure for the receiving program to pull data. You can use any text file as a data source, such as a plain text file or a database file. This file has the name and address of the recipients. It contains data in the tabular form where each column has field heading and each row contains one set of information called record. The information of this file is merged with the main document. Now students, simple meaning, it contains the data in tabular form means students, here in the column you can write down the field heading like serial number, name, address, etc. Okay, and each row contains set of information called record means here you can fill a record. Serial number 1, write down the name and then address. Okay. Creating main document. The main document is the basic letter which has fields from the data source file that we mention in our data source file. We can write down in the data source file field name. Okay. As well as we can write down the common information that has to be sent to every recipients. Merging the main document and data source file. In this stage, where final letter gets created by merging the data of data source and main document. Now students, we can merge our data source file and main document. The new letter which is created is called as merge document. Thank you.